Welcome to Crypto Pulse. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency. From a simple white paper to becoming a global financial phenomenon, Bitcoin has seen it all. But how did it get here? And what makes it so revolutionary? In this video, we'll explore Bitcoin's fascinating evolution and the key moments that transformed it from an obscure idea into the foundation of the cryptocurrency movement. Our story begins in 2008 during the global financial crisis. An anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper titled Bitcoin, a Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System. This document proposed a decentralized currency free from banks and governments, relying instead on blockchain technology to enable secure, transparent transactions. Satoshi's idea was radical: to create a currency that people could trust without needing a central authority. The white paper outlined how Bitcoin would work, using a network of miners to validate transactions and secure the network. This marked the birth of decentralized finance as we know it. On January 3, 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto mined the very first block, known as the Genesis block. Embedded in this block was a hidden message referencing a newspaper headline: "The Times 03 Jan 2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks." This statement was a nod to the traditional financial system's failures and set the tone for Bitcoin's mission as an alternative. The Genesis block is more than just the beginning of Bitcoin's blockchain. It's a symbol of resistance against centralization and financial control. This moment represents the start of a new, open financial system, laying the foundation for a decentralized currency movement. Bitcoin's journey was initially slow, with only a small group of enthusiasts experimenting with it. Then came one of the most memorable moments in crypto history: the first real-world Bitcoin transaction. On May 22, 2010, a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz paid 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas. Today, that amount of Bitcoin would be worth millions. But back then, it marked the start of Bitcoin as a usable currency. Known as Bitcoin Pizza Day, this transaction highlighted the potential for Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. What started as a fun experiment quickly sparked curiosity around the world, as people began to realize the possibilities of a decentralized currency. Bitcoin's rise to fame wasn't without controversy. In 2011, it gained notoriety as the preferred currency on Silk Road, an online marketplace for illegal goods. While this drew criticism, it also brought Bitcoin into the spotlight, showcasing its power as a decentralized, anonymous payment method. Soon after, Bitcoin started gaining attention in mainstream media, and its price began to soar. The Silk Road incident highlighted Bitcoin's unique properties, both its strengths and vulnerabilities. By 2013, major news outlets were covering Bitcoin, drawing in more investors and pushing its value to over $1,000 for the first time. In recent years, Bitcoin has gained legitimacy as institutional investors, companies, and even governments started adopting it. Major corporations like Tesla and Square bought Bitcoin as part of their balance sheets, while countries like El Salvador made it legal tender in 2021. Bitcoin had officially become part of the global financial ecosystem. Bitcoin's acceptance by institutions and governments represents a huge shift in its perception, from a speculative asset to a legitimate financial tool. This adoption underscores its role as a hedge against inflation, a store of value, and even a way for countries to bypass traditional banking systems. As Bitcoin continues to grow, its future remains both promising and uncertain. Will it become a universal currency? Will governments embrace or regulate it more strictly? The possibilities are endless, and Bitcoin's journey is far from over. What we know for sure is that it has forever changed the world's view on money, technology, and trust. Whether Bitcoin becomes a global reserve currency or remains a store of value, its impact on the financial world is undeniable. Innovations like the Lightning Network are making transactions faster and cheaper, paving the way for Bitcoin to be even more accessible. Thanks for watching. Bitcoin's journey from an anonymous white paper to a global movement is nothing short of remarkable. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about crypto history, technology, and investing, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights from Crypto Pulse. Let us know in the comments, where do you see Bitcoin in the next decade?